think really hard what a light to medium coverage is to you. If you hear my cat, I'm so sorry. Today he's extra loud. What is up, you guys, and welcome to my channel, and welcome to the first BoxyCharm unboxing of 2022. In today's video, it's going to be a little bit different because we are going to be comparing the first $99 BoxyCharm versus the original like $25 BoxyCharm. Actually, that's not the original. They originally were like $20 and then they raised it to $25 and then now they're $27.99. We have one from last year that I have not opened, and then of course this year, or well this month, January 2022. So let's just get on into this. But first though, I hate always doing this, but if you guys are new here, my name is Jessi Maee and we upload makeup unboxings and lifestyle videos, so make sure you hit that subscribe button down in that little corner and that little notification bell so you don't miss any of my uploads. And if you find any value or enjoyment out of this unboxing while you're watching, make sure you give the video a thumbs up because it helps me out tremendously. First, we are going to get into this month's one because that's more than likely what everybody is here for, unless you really are here for the comparison. You never know. I don't know. Let me know down in the comments. They did raise their price, like I said in the beginning, from $25 to $27.99, and you do have to pay your state sales tax. Mine is 6% here in Michigan, so this box is roughly about, it equals out to like a $30 box now. That's great, but they kept their value at $125 like for their retail value and the inside, and you only get the 5 full-size products. They didn't change any of that, they just bumped up the price. So I don't know. I would have been okay with this. Not gonna lie, because I get a ton of samples, but throw in an extra sample or something, like a sample size, like as a 6th item. A little bit more incentive, like, I'm sorry we had to raise our price, you know, but samples, like, every brand gives samples to, anyway, I'm going on a tangent, going on a rant. A tangent? Is that the same thing? It might be the same thing. I don't know. First thing in here, somebody help me. First thing in here, we have the Farmacy Feeling Good Hyaluronic Acid Plumping Serum. It's a skin plumping micro-filling serum that hydrates and smooths the look of fine lines. This powerful formula features advanced multi-molecular hyaluronic acid designed to penetrate the skin more effectively. And the retail value of this is $44. Confession here. This is actually the second time I'm recording this video. The first time I did do a try-on between the 2 boxes, like I smashed it all on my face. I was trying to edit it, kind of a hot mess. I didn't really get my point across to the fact that they raised their price. So I have tried this and I did like it. I guess also my point to that was like, if you guys do want to see the try-on, I can still edit it. Let me know down in the comments. I remember, because I only did use it the once, and anyway, this is beside the point. It did give like a slight tingling sensation, and it was pretty enjoyable. Next in here is from Aesthetica. This is a cream contour kit, if I can get it out. I did not actually use this. I'm pretty sure I gave my first one away because I received this once before. 100% sure in a BoxyCharm. So I didn't know if I wanted to use this, but I mean, they look nice. I can show you what they look like on the inside. I mean, I got lucky in that. But they look, you know, just like your normal highlight and like your contour, your creams, and your highlights and your yellows and bananas. That's what I wanted to go with. So this might just get passed along like in a giveaway or friend, family member, something like that. But the retail value of this is $40. Next in here, this is from Earth Harbor. It's the Nymph Nectar Superfruit Radiance Balm. That was like a tongue twister for me. This is a very interesting product if you're not exactly sure what a balm is. If you know exactly what a balm is, maybe it's not that interesting to you. But it is solid. Like, it is like a cream, but it also has like some granules in it. It literally smooths out to be like an oil, and also we're gonna ignore my nails. I'm not gonna talk about it. They were chipping. I tried to repaint it because I'm lazy. It didn't work, and they stuck to a blanket. And moving on. Anyway, the balm, it turns into literally like an oil, and it's super weird. The first time I did use it, I probably used way too much because I didn't know what I was getting into. It might be like a once a week product for me because I can't put too much oil or else then I start to get oily. So maybe I am oily skin. I don't know. And the retail value of that is $38. And by the way, it smells freaking delicious. Whatever super berries are, they smell good. It says sea fruits and tropical super berries, whatever that is. But they inserted lively abundance of vitamin C, A, E, and K, omegas, amino acids, and numerous other bioactives necessary for achieving your best, bounciest, dewiest skin yet. I will give them that. It will give you a nice dewy skin if that is what you're going for. And also with the Earth Harbor, the little Nectar Balm, it is plant-based, holistic, vegan, cruelty-free, sustainable, fair source, no gluten added, no soy added, it's small batch made, and it is women owned. So you can use this as a moisturizer. Maybe I should have read the instructions. I didn't do that. But you can use it as a moisturizer. You just use a tiny little dollop, and you're supposed to actually emulsify it in your fingers first before putting it on your face. Makes sense because it's a little grainy. Anywho, if you also want to use it, you can use it as a sleeping mask. Belly. Don't be obnoxious. Apply a generous layer, massage in, let absorb for 10 minutes, and as a rescue treatment, scoop out and dollop and massage into effective areas. So it's like a multi-tasker mask, lotion, moisturizer, whatever. That's cool. Great. Love that. We do gotta kind of speed this up. We're going through 2 boxes, Jessi girl. Next is from Haus Laboratories, and this is the Glam Liquid Shimmer Powder. Retail value of this is $20. I did use this. I don't know how I feel about this. It's gorgeous. It is a absolute gorgeous shade, and it does dry down to like a powder finish. However, when I did use it on my eyes, it started to burn my eyes. So I don't know if I'm allergic to something in it, but most liquid shadows do that. So I don't really play around too much with liquid eyeshadows. So again, probably gonna just get passed along to, I don't know, maybe my sister down in Alabama, or her kids can play with it. I just started to talk like I was from the South. Lastly in here, we did receive a duo product. This is from Dragun Beauty, and this is a lip liner and lip pencil like sharpener. I'm actually wearing it today. I need to sharpen it. As you can see, I already need to sharpen it. It's a really pretty color, almost nude color, like a dark nude. You know, it's part of a nude family. The only thing I didn't particularly like, it didn't glide too smoothly onto my lips. Could be me, maybe me, human error functioning, like, I don't know how to do lips, like, you know, maybe just me. But I did like that it did come with the sharpener as well, so to me, and oh, it's extra long. Like, it's really long. Here's an eyeshadow brush. It's longer than my eyeshadow brush. So, that's great. I do appreciate that, especially for the price. The retail value of this with the little sharpener is $18, and this was a Boxy exclusive. The retail value of my January 2022 box was $160, and if you guys are curious, the theme for this month was refresh. My bad, I didn't tell you. But I did get a variance C220103-2BA. Anyway, they did something new in here. It says, hey, recycle me, basically. That's cool. Great. Anyway, love that. So, value is $160. They promise you a value of $125. They did great there. And the next thing that would kind of play a factor is, are you going to get use out of all these items? Do they give you value personally? For me, I enjoyed the majority of them. I could go probably without the liquid shadow. Honestly, give me like a little palette. I don't know. I would do, yeah, much rather with an eyeshadow palette. So for me, that box was kind of, it was good. It was good. I'm not gonna lie. And, you know, I pretty much enjoyed everything out of it. Like I was saying, I would personally rather have a eyeshadow, but that's personally, like, you know, you don't get to customize your boxes fully, so I can't be too mad at that. Next, though, and I know what's in here, because like I said before, this is my second time doing it, and I hope it's not broken. But next in here, I was hoping to have a January box, because I have about like 7 other BoxyCharms from last year that are unopened. This, however, is not from January. I believe this is the closest base box that I had like to January. It's April. So we're gonna do the April 2021 box. My voice is already going. This theme for April of last year was a sweet treat, and I was so excited, and I remember this because I was so excited. I thought it was literally just sweet tarts. You know, I don't know. It's the little things for me that just get me super geeked up. Anyway, so first in here, this is from Kndr Beauty. This is the Kndr Glow Highlight Palette, and it has 3 universal flattering highlighters and 1 marble highlight. They are absolutely gorgeous. I love the marble one because it's kind of almost like a duochrome for a highlight. It's nifty. I don't know, is there a duochrome highlight? There probably is, and I'm not unaware about it. Unaware about it. Unaware? Just unaware? I don't know about it. I don't know. And then the retail value of this is $15. Next in here is from Illuminati Cosmetics. This is, I just kind of threw it up, you know, like here you guys go. This is from Illuminati Cosmetics, and it is a liquid luxe lip gloss, and the retail value of this is $21. I don't normally enjoy lip glosses, but this one actually, surprisingly, I did enjoy. It's a really pretty shade. It's like a pink gold shift to it, and it is not one of those sticky formulas. I absolutely hate the sticky formulas. Like I don't like it at all whatsoever. So that I'm super glad to have that. I would put it on, but I want a matte lip, so I'm not going to put it on for you guys. Next in here, this is from Studio Makeup, and we have a tinted moisturizer. It is a tinted moisturizer with a light to medium coverage. I want you guys to keep that in mind. Just and think about it. Think really hard what a light to medium coverage is to you. Formulated with hyaluronic acid to combine hydrating skincare benefits with a lightweight coverage and a glowy look. The retail value of this is $35. There's my light to medium coverage. And when we just go over the gloss. It's cool. It does not matter. And then the tiniest amount we'll do right here. Can you see that? So, and then when I shear this out, I'm orange. I put it on and I looked like Mr. fucking Trump. It was bad. Actually, in one of my videos, somebody called me the girl version of Donald Trump. Blonde hair, and like, I guess, I don't know, maybe I was looking a little orange that day, but they left me a comment, and you, sir, are not very nice. But anywho, it's fine. But that's not going to work for me. I did put it on after, like, just by itself, and I walked out in the room, and Kevin was just like looking at me like, what did you do? I don't know if maybe I got the wrong shade, like, but on here there's no actual like shade range or anything. It doesn't say like it's from light to medium. I don't know. So this was definitely a fail for me. And here we did receive a Natasha Denona the Ayana palette. I hope that's how you pronounce it. The retail value of this is $48. Now I knew when I unboxed it in its original cute little brown box that I've seen it before. And that's because I own it. Like, I already did own it. What gets me the most about that is if you read in here, it's a special edition palette created exclusively for BoxyCharm. I receive a bunch of BoxyCharms, yes, granted that. Why am I getting it again? It's exclusive, so BoxyCharm, my point, is giving out items that you may have already received, so that was supposed to go in front of the camera. In the box from April 2021, our grand total was $155, literally $5 less than the newest January 2022 box, which, I mean, so I guess, like, BoxyCharm, they gave us a $5 up value. Not really, because they didn't promise you at, like, you know, 130. We just got lucky that both these boxes were above value. I'm not gonna lie, because most of my boxes are right there around the 125, if not a little bit under. Like, what do you guys think? Do you think BoxyCharm should have raised their price? Do you think that they should have kept it? Or do you think, like, since they did raise it, maybe they should have upped their value just a little bit? Because I don't know, I'm not seeing too much of a difference here. Like I said, it's a $5 value difference, like a retail value, but that also comes down to, are you gonna get use out of the items? For me, I skipped an item in this box. So we also do have the Georgette Klinger Vitamin C mask, and the retail value of this is $36. Bless you, Belly. goodness. There's nothing special about this mask. It honestly, I don't think it really did anything, and I mean, it's supposed to revitalize, brighten, and even your complex in minutes. Maybe after a couple times, I don't know, but it really did not do much for me. But the box, or in this box, these items for me are just kind of a letdown. It's a disappointment because I can't use this at all. It does not work for my shade whatsoever. And then this, I absolutely, as much as I absolutely do love it, I already own it. So, and I didn't buy it or anything. I got it in BoxyCharm. You know, so I'm a little disappointed on that. I really plan on canceling my BoxyCharm. I just keep forgetting. Like, I should do it as soon as I turn the camera off. But anyways, let me know all your thoughts and opinions down below. Do you think BoxyCharm is now worth the $27.99 plus your sales tax? Or do you think they should have kept it at their $25 value? Or, I mean, if they really couldn't, do you think they should have tried to do another incentive, whether it be add an extra item, up the value, give out just a little sample in each box of something new? You know, everybody's giving out samples. Either way, let me know what you guys thought of this video, and if you did find any value or enjoyment out of it, make sure you give the video a thumbs up. My voice is completely going, so I'm definitely gonna go. And if you haven't already, go ahead and subscribe to my channel by clicking this link right here. And if you want to binge watch and hang out a little bit more, or you want to see any of my other BoxyCharm unboxings, go ahead and click one of these links right here. I love you guys, and I will catch you in my next video. Bye! I can sing, but not talk.